Hey guys, Steven here. Back at it again with another video. Actually in a hotel right now. Because, hold on. There we go. I also got the do not disturb sign on the door, so not that anyone would walk in, but still. Anyways, today we're actually going to be going down to the Tennessee Valley Railroad Museum and riding another train. So that'll be fun. And I was actually going to shower this morning, but at first I thought, for one, I don't know why, the bathroom light does not work. Two, I didn't realize there were towels back here until now. So yeah. Well, actually I noticed it last night, but I have to leave in an hour, so I'm gonna spend the time like packing up, getting ready to head out of here. Because I'm only here for one night. Then tonight I'm gonna be camping out with my parents at some random campground. Then tomorrow I have to head home. So yeah. Actually, let's let some light in. Another thing I wanted to point out, I'm also like, yeah, this is kind of hard to get up. I'm not gonna mess with it, but it did kind of let some light in, so that's good. So anyway, I even found out I'm like an hour and 22 minutes from Blue Ridge, so that's like really bugging me. I won't be able to stop there on this trip. I actually am still kind of considering going later this year as well, because there we go, I just had to pull it better. There we go. Get some natural light in here. I couldn't even get to sleep last night either. Like, the little blue light from the thermostat was just like shining in my face. But in the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and start packing up. I gotta start packing up the cooler, load everything into the truck, and yeah, head on out of here. Alright guys, I'm about to check out of the hotel. It's around 9 a.m. The Railroad Museum is like 14 minutes away, but I'm kind of leaving earlier just in case there's like any traffic. And yeah, I pretty much got all my luggage. All I got left is this bag and my phone charger, and I'll be ready to head on out. Alright guys, we're at the Tennessee Valley Railroad Museum yet again. Look at that. There's the train. Well, I don't think it's the train we're riding today, but there it is. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Oh, it's moving again. It's going backwards. There she goes. Alright guys, I'm currently just walking around the museum area, outdoor area. Just looking at a dining car actually. Also waiting for my parents to pull up, which they should be here soon. But for now, we'll just keep walking around. Probably gonna walk up to where the train is and film it taking off, or the Missionary Ridge one. Mine doesn't come in until like 10 o'clock, I guess. So yeah.
All aboard, welcome aboard the Tennessee Valley Railroad Museum, Chickamauga turns. I'd like to welcome you guys aboard our all-day excursion today as our destination being the historic Civil War town of Chickamauga, Georgia. As we get started, we do have a few things to go over at the Park Grand Junction Station. Most important rule on the train is a Tennessee and Georgia state law that there is no smoking on board the train anywhere, anytime, any place. As well. Next topic is the most asked question on board the train. That is, where are the restrooms? Now, for those of you riding in car 857, and for car 907, the one I'm speaking at, the men's restroom is directly behind me, and the women's restrooms will be at the front of the car. Now, if something happens to anyone of these. The next question is, when is lunch? Now, if you have tickets for lunch in the dining car, we will have a member of our dining car staff come through and make an announcement when it's time for lunch in the dining car. Don't worry, you don't have to go up there. They will come and find you first and then take you up to the dining car. And home to a log cabin that was actually General Grant's location and his headquarters during the battles of Chattanooga. From that location, you can see the battle lookout map, the battle of Orchard Knob, the battle of Missionary Bridge.
There's hundreds. There's hundreds. Thousands. Oh my gosh. So you see the flags? Like,
Are you gonna jump in?
Yeah. It says clear.
Oh wow.
I bet
wow,
it's
it is.
freezing cold. I'm gonna touch it. Look how clear this is.
I know, this looks pretty cool.
I expect someone to jump on top of this. This is so high, someone could jump on top of this and get his parachute.
Afraid to even put my phone over the edge. Here's like dropping it.
So the light hit where people's walk. Thank you. Photos. Thank you, Steve.
This video.
Oh, hey, Rich.
Y'all been on that? Do you start the drill?
Alright guys, we're done with the train. Had a great time. Really enjoyed the new experience. Probably wondering where I am though, actually. This is my parents' property. Right now we've kind of been delayed with like all the rain. And they're waiting on like septic approval. So they're kind of like held up at the moment, but it's where the driveway is going to be. I'm not driving any further on the truck though. But yeah, thought I'd come out here and show y'all guys really quick. I was gonna do this when during the Blue Ridge trip, but it was laid out. I was ready to get to the hotel, so I was like, you know what, I'll just wait and film this later, but yeah, here it is. I also got a neighbor right next door, but I think it's like 6 acres. I think the property is 6 acres. So yeah, we're gonna have a little place to come get away. I'm gonna come here and film a bit from time to time. Maybe even bring the RV at some point. The house that we're gonna build here is gonna be like a little place to just get away. It's gonna be similar, or mainly a smaller version of the real foot cabins. Oh, big rock. Imagine if I just found out I was at the wrong property. I got my dad on the way, so we're gonna get some sticks and do a little fire at the nearby campground. But yeah, I just figured I'd show y'all this. And hopefully someday in the near future, I'll have at least land in Blue Ridge. Then I can do myself a little tiny home there. And have my own place to, I guess, start off as a little getaway place. Then eventually live there. There are some things that are kind of forcing me to stay in my hometown for the moment. But I'm gonna, in the meantime, while I'm waiting on my dad, I'm gonna just get some sticks, load them in the bed of the truck. If you haven't already and you want to, please subscribe, leave a like on this video. And yeah. I can't wait to show y'all guys, or tell y'all guys the name of this place. What we came up with. I'm not gonna tell y'all now, but I'll reveal it later on. And expect some videos here at some point. Alright, take care, y'all. Oh, there are people going there.
Yeah.
How do you get to be doing all that?
You just walk. You take the color permit. They actually have on the side of the white
Yeah. That's so cool.